Welcome to another episode of Daniel's Garage. As you can see, we're not in the garage today, just replacing a shower head. These ones came original with the house and they are not particularly great. We have a new one I got for Christmas. One of the handheld ones with the extension hose so you can wash all over the place. We're going to go through and install that today. Since I don't really care if this thing comes off in any good condition or not, I'm not going to protect it. Just loosen and unscrew. Bye bye old shower head. And you want to get as much of this old plumber's tape off as possible. Alright, got all the plumber's tape off. Open this up. So we got shower head, nozzle adapter, the hose, and some various gaskets. First step, try not to drop anything. Throw on some new plumber's tape. Screw on the new holder. Nice and tight. Now this one you gotta make sure you add the rubber gasket. Before you put it on. That should straighten out with some warm water through it. Another gasket on the other side. Throw the shower head on. Typically hand tight does pretty good. Try to stretch that out just a little bit. Throw in the holder. Let's try it out. Don't see any leaks. That's perfect. Thanks for watching another episode of Daniel's Garage. Stay tuned for more content.